Today's episode is why you should work with a real estate broker in Izmir. Reason number 1. You are exposing yourself to a lot of risks if you are approaching a developer or a private seller yourself. This can be much more damaging than the commission fee. However, you definitely want to select a licensed real estate agency. Reason number 2. Access to a vast portfolio of new development and resale properties, which you normally cannot have access to. Reason number 3. We have background information on each development company which you as a private individual can never know. This is quite important if you want to purchase a villa or an apartment in Izmir. Reason number 4. Background check of all title deeds and other documents. The title deed can be categorized in different ways. We always check on these details. Reason number 5. We check if there are no debts on the property. It can be possible that the property is purchased with a loan from the bank. We are always checking these details before we start the whole procedure. Reason number 6. It's also very important to check the ISKAN papers. These papers are providing information about the construction. Reason number 7. We have actual knowledge about the market value of each property in Izmir. Like mentioned before, we are using special software which appraisal companies are using as well. Reason number 8. It's very difficult to be specialized in whole Turkey. There are a lot of agencies who are offering properties all over Turkey. Of course, it's difficult to be an expert in whole Turkey, and most of these agencies are offering outdated listings and prices of each area. If you are looking for a real estate agent or agency in Izmir, of course we are more than willing to help you out. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye everybody. See you in the next episode.